So what we're installing is this Vivor pump, and I had to put this diverter valve in. I just had to screw it in, is all you had to do. Then I had to put this exhaust filter on. But here are the air breather things that get attached to those metal things that were out there that the air comes through. So this is what will go in the bottom of the pond. So I'll just put this together. This is what's going to be sitting out there. So I'm trying to get the base for the where it's all going to set installed now, and then we'll set that out there, get the electrical hooked up. Got a mess here in my shop. This is a result of Marketplace. We've got all of our Marketplace upstairs. Here, let me show you. So upstairs is where we keep all of our Marketplace items. I haven't showed you this before, but Ann's got it all organized and labeled. So here's all of our stuff. Everything's labeled. So that's why downstairs is a mess, because that stuff was up here. So she's got most stuff covered up. But everything, we've got over 350, I think 370 items on Marketplace right now. And this is what it is. Just a little bit of everything. Trying to lighten our load so we don't have to move it. This section right here is for my coworker. I was talking the other day about selling some of his stuff, and we went around and picked up some of his stuff, and we actually sold quite a bit of it this weekend. But yeah, so all Marketplace. If you get a chance, check out our Marketplace profile and see if there's anything you want. We also ship, you know, if it's cost effective for you, we'll ship it. But here is what this looks like. It's a disaster in here. I got to go through this and organize, but some of this stuff is going to be sold and some of them I'm going to be keeping, but we're trying to lighten up as much as we can. But yeah, here we go. All right, what I need to figure out here, we're going to frame this out in 2x4 on the base. It's supposed to be 30 inches. Let me get 30 inches put in. So yeah, we're just going to build a base there, and then we'll build a little building on top of that. This is basically your bottom steel plate that you're doing framing, is what I'm putting in here. Yeah, well, it's kind of a gun. Ram set. when I installed this last year, I put tape on there to keep it from water getting in the pipe. But of course the tape wore off and the water's in the pipe. So. Hey guys, welcome back. It's the next day, but I'm cutting the wood that we need for the aerator house out there. So that's what I'm cutting now. I'm gonna cut, I think 8 of them at 30 inches. It's gonna be 30 inches tall. So yeah, that's gonna work out with this board. So I can adjust it. So what I'm using is Craig's pocket hole jig to put the holes that we need to mount this frame to the bottom plates out there. So. Check the placement of this one to make sure it's not in the way of the box that we got installed there. Now we should be able to go set this in there and drill this bottom right here. Yeah. All right, let's go look at this. All right, so when you drill those pocket holes, it takes these special screws. So these are those Craig special screws that we're using. Now I can get this back wall built and get this electrical in there. That was another thing I wanted to get at least done. At least that is square there. Yep. Okay. We'll go ahead and get these sidewalls made now. Yeah, I will be right back. Let me get one for the top there, 24 inches. Okay, let's see if we're level. Hopefully we are. Right on the money. Good deal. Putting the board. Alright. I think that'll work. I'll just put one between here. It should be good. So no, I don't have another one, so. But we'll leave that open. Let's work on maybe getting electrical hooked up next. Okay, we're gonna put this board in here. Unbelievable. Well, can't believe that. Let me go see if I can find another bit. Unbelievable. Okay, we're back out here today on this house that I'm making for the aerator for the pond, and I just need to hook up the electrical out here today. So that is what I am working on right now. I'm putting a 20 amp GFI outlet out here is what we're putting. Alright, let's see what it's going to take to get this back there. Holy cow, it's going to take... That box is not very thick at all. I don't know if that's going to even work. Huh. That ain't going to work. That plug is not going to work for this box. Huh. Oh, but dang. I didn't even think about that. Yeah, that box is too thick. Or the plug is too thick for that box. I'm going to have to get a regular outlet. Alright, well, I'll be right back. Alright, take two. This one will work. A lot smaller. It's not a GFI, but I do have a GFI breaker that's going to be hooked to, so we'll be fine. You know, we talk about what it would cost to have this done. You know, hiring a contractor to do this, put this aerator system in. You know, it's probably a little bit more advanced, but I mean, it's not hard. The aerator I think I got it from Vivor. It's a 110. And I had to run, of course, run the wire around here. I did that last year sometime. But you know, you have an electrician hook it up, you know, run the wire, hook it up. It'd be pretty expensive to have done, but this is definitely something that could be a homeowner could do. You know, you just have to have a little bit of knowledge and confidence in electrical, and it's not difficult. But I also understand that some people, you know, they don't want to do this stuff. They just soon hire it out, so I get that too. But if you're like us, you want to save some money and, you know, spend that money on something else, do it yourself, you know, just try it, take it on, build some confidence. Remember, black goes on gold, white goes on silver, ground goes green. You're good to go. Okay, it is in. I gotta go tie the breaker in, and then we can set it in here, get the lines out, and get this thing fired up. So hang tight. Hey, Scott here, Rolling Country Outdoors. Thanks for coming back and joining us. Here's the valve up there where the air comes out. So we're gonna get this installed. So that's possible.